Cybercrime is the most significant IT-based threat any organization faces today. EAG has developed a cybersecurity framework based on the National Institute for Standards and Technology, but focused on real-world threats and company sizes. At EAG, we understand that a comprehensive risk strategy is key, and that not all companies have the same hazards or appetite for risk. While EAG can and will provide additional security offerings, such as vulnerability management, security assessments, and end-user training, we believe that security is a basic tenet of providing IT services. Our technicians are all trained and expected to provide basic security troubleshooting and remediation steps when addressing items such as compromised accounts, antivirus alerts, spam or phishing emails. EAG is also capable of providing more advanced service offerings, including NIST-based security assessments, vulnerability scans, continued vulnerability management, phishing tests, and end-user training. We can also provide consulting, guidance, and participation in compliance audits.